Hey there, quick review on this travel duffel bag. As you'll see, not only is it a duffel bag, it actually zips up on itself and packs into an extremely small size. This is the 65-liter version. So let's go ahead and unzip this and show you what it looks like whenever we're in full mode, I guess. Unzip and unfold here. So as you can see, this opens up into a large bag. You'll notice that it is a very thin material and it doesn't hold its shape extremely well. That being said, it is a really large size. So if you need an overflow bag or something like that to take on a trip that will fold down into a really compact size, but then also be able to open up and hold a lot, this would be an excellent option. Now, just having an awareness before you buy the product, as you can see, the bag doesn't hold its shape really well. That's what makes it fold up so nicely, but the downside is it's not gonna hold its shape really well. As far as the thickness on the material, it's kind of a semi-waterproof but breathable, almost like a Tyvek type material. Decently durable, but I imagine if you get a rip in this, it's probably going to want to continue to rip. That being said, with the price point on this, that's kind of what you would expect. We have one overall large zipper compartment. On the end, you also have a compartment that would be nice if you need to store some shoes. It will go into the bag, so there's a lot of space in this end pocket for shoes. You can even put wet clothes or something like that in there as well. We do have your typical carry handle as well as a shoulder strap for carrying it around. Here on this side, we have another couple zipper compartments for smaller items. And then a larger, on this side, we also have a couple more smaller zipper compartments for smaller items. This zipper that you see here is for whenever you fold it back up into itself. Then on the opposite side, again, another zipper compartment. We've got a pass-through deal right here. Now we also have to wonder, okay, this is all great. Am I actually going to be able to fold it back up into itself again after I undo it? So we'll go ahead and try that here. It's going to be a little bit different because I'm sure I'm not folding it up 100% correctly. But you can see that really wasn't much effort. You've just kind of got to get it positioned in the correct way. And then you can just kind of scrunch it all together and it'll zip up eventually if we can get it here. There we go. Now we're back into the compact size again. So overall, kind of an interesting bag, great price point and great ability to fold up on itself and not take up hardly any space at all for storage. So keeping this stored in the home, great. Also taking this in a different bag as kind of an extra bag just in case, this would be another great option as well.